Hello and welcome to WashingtonExec's video series. I'm Amanda Ziadeh with WashingtonExec, and with me today is Mark Moore. He's the Division Executive of Corporate and Institutional Banking for Sandy Spring Bank. Thank you so much for joining me today, Mark.
It's my pleasure, Amanda. I'm glad to be here.
Of course. So tell me a bit about your role in the Corporate and Institutional Banking Division. How do you help serve the government contracting market?
Well, at Sandy Spring Bank, we serve the government contracting market in lots of ways. Starting with the obvious, trying to give the best banking services that we can. We listen to our clients and we try to add value wherever we can, and we draw on our collective experience in the GovCon sector, which is pretty deep. We support a lot of organizations, business organizations in the sector that are designed for small and emerging companies, of which we have many clients in that category, but we also have some very large clients as well that are more in the middle market and doing more complex transactions and have more requirements. And so we add value because we value and appreciate all of the business, and we have the design and scope and subject matter expertise to really help government contractors in whatever part of the life cycle they're in.
So what about Sandy Spring Bank really differentiates it in the GovCon market? And what is it able to provide in terms of local management, nimbleness, and subject matter expertise?
Well, the last three things you said, local management, nimbleness, and subject matter expertise, are really the hallmark of what we have to offer at Sandy Spring Bank. Many of us have decades of experience in and around the GovCon sector, to include investment banking experience within the sector. And so we're able to fall back on our collective experiences and assess situations, anticipate things that other bankers may not, and really strategize with our clients and prospective clients. So on the topics of local management, well, we certainly are. Sandy Spring is the largest and oldest bank headquartered in the greater DC market. And with our size, particularly in recent years with some acquisitions that we've successfully made, we have bankers covering the entire greater DC and Baltimore footprints and surrounding areas. And so we're able to work with companies all throughout the geographic area, but still bring our local management and decision making to them. We're a car ride away from all of our clients, walking distance from some, and our senior credit officers, as well as some of our executive leadership, have a lot of experience in the GovCon sector, as well as the frontline lenders and managers like myself and Frank Marandino, who is the group manager for GovCon at Sandy Spring Bank.
How about the non-lending side? What does Sandy Spring Bank offer in that aspect?
Well, our solutions are tailored to maximize productivity, control costs, and protect our clients' investments. This certainly includes treasury management in all aspects. In fact, there's a great partnership between our treasury management team and the government contracting team and the middle markets team as well. We're all in the same commercial banking division, reporting up the same channel, and we work together daily. We have weekly combined staff meetings, for example. So we're able to offer all of the treasury management solutions that a company might like, regardless of where it is in its life cycle. But in addition to that, we also offer business insurance, retirement plan administration, wealth management, private banking and trust, commercial and residential mortgages, employee banking. So there's a lot that we can do for our clients besides just lending them money. And we do like lending them money.
Great. Yeah. So tell me more about how all these benefits bleed into the division's other market areas. And can you tell us also a bit about those and how you're collectively working on growing the division as a whole?
Yes, so there's a great synergy between the government contracting focus area, which is an anchor within the corporate and institutional banking division that I lead, but also in the non-GovCon sector in the middle markets. Those companies with annual revenues more in the $50 to $100 million range on the lower end up to say about $1 billion on the higher end. The services that they require often duplicate or replicate those that the larger government contractors would like. And so there's a lot of synergy there. We also have a very robust specialty area within this division for large not-for-profit opportunities, schools, museums, studios, religious organizations, large trade associations, things of that nature. And so the non-credit requirements of all three of these areas have a lot in common. And then on the underwriting standpoint, we have the expertise and the experience and the desire to go deep up all three of those verticals I just mentioned.
So, Mark, how would you describe your division's adoption of Sandy Springs' core values?
Well, Sandy Spring strives to be responsive in every way that we can. We always are looking to take that extra step, and we take a long view of our business approach for our clients and ourselves, and we make things our own, and we always try to do what's right. And so when we're working with our clients on the government contracting and the middle markets and not-for-profit side, we certainly are leaning on those. We value relationships, and we take a team-oriented approach here at Sandy Spring. We're driving for optimal performance, and we're trying to be creative while we're listening to our clients and our prospects to give them flexible solutions that will address the challenges and opportunities that they're facing. So it's very much a can-do approach. It's a can-do organization. And that's why professional service providers and other clients send referrals to us because they know that that's at the core of the organization, our division, and our approach to our clients.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Mark, for joining me today and sharing a bit about your division in Sandy Spring Bank. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.
You too.